The world is connected through logistics. I wanted to be a part of that network. At KLU, I found the perfect place to turn my passion for global logistics and supply chain management into expertise. From crisis management to sustainable solutions, logistics is more than just moving goods. I learned from experts and tackled real industry challenges. Internships and industry connections helped me grow. Suddenly, I was able to see the bigger picture, anticipating challenges before they arise. That's what operations mindset means to me. I found friends for life at KLU. Today, I help shape supply chains that make the world run smoothly.